Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Microsoft account that manages the child's Minecraft access. This is key because parental controls live at account level. Once signed in, open account. Microsoft, com/family, or the Xbox Family Settings app to find the child profile. Make sure you are the organizer or guardian so you can change settings, otherwise permissions will block edits. While doing this, keep the device running Minecraft nearby so you can test any changes immediately after you save them. Now you change the specific Minecraft controls. Under the child's profile, choose Privacy and Online Safety to set chat and communication options and toggle multiplayer and crossplay as needed. For marketplace purchases, turn on spending limits or require approval for every purchase. That prevents surprise charges. Also set screen time rules so gameplay ends on schedule. Make specific choices depending on age. Stricter chat and no multiplayer for younger kids, more freedom for teens. Finish by saving all changes and signing out, then sign back into the child account on the target device and launch Minecraft to confirm restrictions are active. If something didn't stick, clear the app cache or restart the console, and verify the child is signed into the correct Microsoft account. Mismatched accounts are the most common failure. Make sure notifications are enabled on the organizer's device so you can promptly approve purchase or friend requests. That keeps control without interrupting play too much.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.